Good evening, everyone. May I commence the function, my lord? It's my honor to welcome you all on this auspicious day, and we are glad to have you with us when we're celebrating the inauguration ceremony of the court for the trial of SC and ST Act 1989. And it gives us immense pleasure to extend a very warm welcome to the dignitaries and the guests, judicial officers and the court staffs, and I once again wholeheartedly welcome you all for this spectacular event. This is sure to be yet another milestone in the history of Thoothukudi District Judiciary.
To begin with, I request the dignitaries and all other eminent personalities to kindly rise for Tamil Thai Waltz.
Thank you all. Reception and hospitality are our two eyes. They are bonded within our veins. Today, we have the most inspirational yet humble personality to welcome our dignitaries. May I request our Honorable Principal District Judge, Thiru N. Logeshwaran, to deliver the welcome address.
Good evening to everyone, and it is my honor to welcome you all on this auspicious day, and we are glad to have you here with us when we are celebrating the function of inauguration of Special Court for Trial of Cases under Scheduled Castes and Scheduled Tribes Act 1989 in Thoothukudi District. I convey my warm welcome to my Lord, the Honorable Chief Justice, High Court of Madras, for consenting this inaugural function with His Lordship's busy schedule, for Lordship's gracious presence before us, and for making this occasion more pleasure and success. We are greatly honored, Lordship. Welcome, my Lord. And I extend my hearty welcome to His Lordship, Honorable Thiru Justice Bharatidasan, Judge, Honorable High Court of Madras, Portfolio Judge for Thoothukudi District, Lordship, Honorable Thiru Justice S.S. Sundar, Judge, Honorable High Court of Madras, son of the soil of Thoothukudi District, Lordship, Honorable Thiru Justice A.D. Jagadish Chandra, Judge, Honorable High Court of Madras, son of the soil of Thoothukudi District, Lordship, Honorable Thiru Justice P.D. Adikesavulu, Judge, Honorable High Court of Madras, Portfolio Judge for Thoothukudi District. Welcome, my lords. And I extend my warm welcome to the Honorable Minister for Information and Publicity, Thiru Kadambur C. Raju. Welcome, sir. And I extend my warm welcome to the District Collector, Thiru Sandeep Nanduri, Thiru S. Jayakumar, Superintendent of Police, Thoothukudi District, and Thiru A.W.D. Tilak, Chairman, Ad hoc Committee, and other Ad hoc Committee members of Thoothukudi District. And I extend my warm welcome to the sister and brother judges working in Thoothukudi District, the system officers, the staffs of criminal and civil unit who are giving their strength and hard work to success of this function, and all other advocates who are participating in this function. I extend my warm welcome to the press and media people and the district administration, the public works department for their help and extend their cooperation in our efforts to make this court inauguration function a grand success. I feel a sense of pride and privilege in being given an opportunity to welcome all of you on this special occasion for inaugural function, and I am also with great pleasure to welcome our Honorable Chief Justice and our Lordships, and I am extremely grateful to them for the time and effort put by them, and this is the most historic and memorable day in the history of judicial system in Tamil Nadu for the inauguration of PCR Court at Thoothukudi District. Thank you, my lords.
Thank you, Your Honor. Yes, here comes the milestone moment we were all waiting for. May I now request our Honorable Chief Justice, High Court of Madras, to inaugurate the PCR Court Thuthukudi by unveiling the inscription.
Thank you, my lord. Now it is the time to view a short video of our newly built PCR court. Thank you all. Now, may I request Thiru AWD Tilak, Chairman, Ad hoc Committee, Thoothukudi Bar Association, to offer his felicitations.
Most Honorable and Adorable Chief Justice of Madras High Court and Honorable Portfolio Judges of THOOTHUKUDI District, Bari Dasan and Kesavalu, and the Judges of our district, Sundar and Jagdish Chandra, and the Honorable Minister, Thiru Kadambur Raju from our district, and the Honorable District Collector, and Honorable District Judge, and Honorable Chief Judicial Magistrate, and distinguished members of the THOOTHUKUDI Bar. Sir, the members of THOOTHUKUDI Bar in particular, and people of THOOTHUKUDI District in general, they are extremely happy and jubilant in seeing the inauguration of PCR Court in THOOTHUKUDI by the Honorable Chief Justice of Madras High Court. We are much indebted to your Lordship for the stupendous task in establishing a new court in spite of many hurdles stood in the way. In this connection, in this contest, I would like to mention PCR Court in Tinnevelly was overloaded with cases emanating from two districts, THOOTHUKUDI District and Tinnevelly District, and causing hardship to the litigant public to travel 90 kilometers to and fro from THOOTHUKUDI to Tinnevelly to attend the cases. Apart from taxing their purse. Now, with the opening of this PCR Court, the litigant public give a side of relief to know they will get justice from the court within their reach. His Lordship, I would like to mention this coronavirus pandemic crippled the practice of the lawyers, but the virtual hearing organized by the Honorable Supreme Court and Honorable High Court has come as a boon to the lawyer to argue the case in the video conference, feeling at home and feeling at ease, bringing all the courts, including the highest court of our land, under the roof of our abode, showing the magnanimity and the broad-mindedness of the judges and their deep concern for the lives of the advocates. Sir, I am 81 summers old, practicing in THOOTHUKUDI at bar for 54 years. My words are too weak to express my profound thanks and gratitude. But I am physically strong enough to stand up and salute you all, sir.
Thank you, sir. Now, may I request Honorable Minister Thiru Kadambur C. Raju, Minister for Information and Publicity, Government of Tamil Nadu, to deliver the special address.
அனைவருக்கும் இனிய நல்ல மாலை வணக்கத்தை தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன். நமது தூத்துக்குடி மாவட்டத்தில் இன்னைக்கு வரலாற்றில் ஒரு மைல்கல் என்று சொன்னால் அது மிகையாகாது. நீதித்துறையில் இன்னைக்கு புதிய துவக்கமாக ஒருங்கிணைந்த திருநெல்வேலி மாவட்டமாக இருந்த நேரத்தில் இந்த அமைப்புகள்லாம் நமது மாவட்டத்திற்கு என்று தனியாக பிரிக்கப்பட்டு நிர்வாக ரீதியாக அத்தனை அமைப்புகளும் இன்னைக்கு இயங்கி வருகின்றது. அந்த வகையில் இன்னைக்கு நீதித்துறையின் சார்பாக வணக்கத்திற்குரிய மாண்புமிகு நீதியரசர், தலைமை நீதியரசர் அமரேஸ்வர் பிரதாப் சாஹி அவர்கள் தன்னுடைய பொற்கரங்களால் இன்றைக்கு நமது மாவட்டத்திற்கு ஸ்பெஷல் கோர்ட் ஃபார் ட்ரையல் ஆஃப் கேசஸ் அண்டர் ஷெட்யூல்ட் காஸ்ட் அண்ட் ஷெட்யூல்ட் ட்ரைப்ஸ் பிரிவென்ஷன் ஆஃப் ஆர்டிகல்ஸ் ஆக்ட் இந்த நீதியை விரைவாக கிடைப்பதற்கு இன்றைக்கு இனிய துவக்கமாக துவக்கி வைத்தமைக்கு மாவட்ட மக்களின் சார்பில் முதல்ல நெஞ்சார்ந்த நன்றியை தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கின்றேன். இந்த நல்ல நிகழ்ச்சியில கலந்து கொண்டு சிறப்பித்துக் கொண்டிருக்கின்ற ஆனரபிள் திரு ஜஸ்டிஸ் என் பாரதிதாசன் அவர்களையும், ஒரு போர்ட்போலியோ ஜட்ஜ் ஃபார் தூத்துக்குடி டிஸ்ட்ரிக்ட் அவர்களையும், ஆனரபிள் ஜஸ்டிஸ் எஸ். சுந்தர், ஜட்ஜ் ஹைகோர்ட் ஆஃப் மெட்ராஸ், சன் ஆஃப் சாயின் அவர் தூத்துக்குடி மாவட்டத்தில் பெருமை சேர்க்கின்ற அவர்களையும், அதே போல ஆனரபிள் ஜஸ்டிஸ் ஏடி ஜெகதீஷ் சந்திரா, சன் ஆஃப் சாயின் தூத்துக்குடி அவர்களையும் இந்த நல்ல நிகழ்வில் கலந்து கொண்டு சிறப்பித்துக் கொண்டிருக்கிற ஆனரபிள் ஜஸ்டிஸ் பி.டி. ஆதிகேசவலு ஜட்ஜ் ஹைகோர்ட் ஆஃப் மெட்ராஸ் அவர்களையும் இந்த நிகழ்வுகளை எங்களையும் கலந்து கொள்கின்ற நல்ல வாய்ப்பை உருவாக்கி தந்த பிரின்சிபல் டிஸ்ட்ரிக்ட் ஜட்ஜ் செஷன் ஜட்ஜ் திரு என் லோகேஸ்வரன் அவர்களையும் இந்த நல்ல நிகழ்ச்சியில கலந்து கொண்டு முதல்ல வாழ்த்துறை வழங்கி கொண்டிருக்கின்ற சேர்மன் அட்வொகேட் கமிட்டியுடைய சேர்மனாக தூத்துக்குடி பார் அசோசியேஷன் தலைவராக வாழ்த்துறை வழங்கிய மரியாதைக்குரிய இடஒடி திலக் அவர்களையும் சட்டமன்ற உறுப்பினர்களாக இங்கே வந்து சிறப்பித்துக் கொண்டிருக்கின்ற சிறுவைகுண்டம் சட்டமன்ற உறுப்பினர் முன்னாள் அமைச்சர் எஸ்.பி. சமூகநாதன் அவர்களையும் விளாத்திக்குளம் சட்டமன்ற உறுப்பினர் அன்பு தம்பி சின்னப்பன் அவர்களையும் இந்த நல்ல நிகழ்வுல பங்கெடுத்து சிறப்பித்துக் கொண்டிருக்கின்ற மாவட்ட ஆட்சித்தலைவர் திரு சந்தீப் நந்தூரி அவர்களையும் மாவட்ட காவல் கண்காணிப்பாளர் அவர்களையும் மற்றும் பப்ளிக் ப்ராசிக்யூட்டராக சிறப்பாக பணியாற்றி வருகிற ஆண்டோனி போன்ற அவர்களையும் மற்றும் இதர வழக்கறிஞர் பொதுமக்களையும் இந்த நேரத்தில் வணங்கி வரவேற்றுக் கொள்ள கடமைப்பட்டிருக்கின்றேன். இந்த நிகழ்வின் மூலமாக ஒரு கருத்தை சொல்லுவார்கள், தாமதிக்கப்பட்ட நீதி மறுக்கப்பட்ட நீதிக்கு சமம் என்று சொல்வார்கள். அந்த வகையில் ஒரு நமது நெல்லை மாவட்டம் என்று இருந்த நேரத்தில் இன்னைக்கு நமக்கென்று தூத்துக்குடி மாவட்டம் நிர்வாக ரீதியாக பிரிக்கப்பட்ட பிறகு அனைத்து துறைகளுக்கும் தனித்தனியாக நிர்வாக ரீதி கிடைத்தது. சட்ட ரீதியாக அது குறிப்பாக தாழ்த்தப்பட்ட மக்களுக்கு இந்த வன்கொடுமை சட்டத்தின் மூலமாக பதிவுபடுகின்ற வழக்குகளுக்கு நீதி விரைவாக கிடைக்க வேண்டும் என்று சொன்னால் ஒரே மாவட்டமாக இருந்த நேரத்தில் அது தாமதம் ஏற்படும் நிலை இருந்ததை இன்றையிலிருந்து புதிய வரலாறாக நமது மாவட்டத்துக்கு இந்த தனி நீதிமன்றத்தை உருவாக்கி தந்த நீதியரசர்கள் குறிப்பாக சென்னை ஹைகோர்ட் தலைமை நீதியரசர் மற்றும் அனைவருக்கும் நெஞ்சார்ந்த நன்றியை தெரிவித்து வாழ்த்துக்குறி விடைபெறுகின்றேன். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.
Thank you, sir. I once again feel privileged and humbled to request our portfolio judge, His Lordship, Honorable Justice Thiru P.D. Adikesavulu, Judge, High Court of Madras, to deliver the special address.
My Lord, the Honorable Chief Justice, Amresh Pratap Shahi, Brother Judges, Honorable Justice V. Bharatidasan, Honorable Justice S.S. Sundar, Honorable Justice A.D. Jagadish Chandra, Honorable Justice G.R. Swaminathan, Justice Abdul Quddus, Honorable Minister for Information and Publicity, Mr. Kadambur C. Raju, Principal District Judge, Mr. Logeshwaran, the other dignitaries, Mr. Tilak and other members of the bar, the judicial officers, the staff and the advocates and all ladies and gentlemen present. It gives me immense pleasure to participate in this occasion of inaugurating the Special Court for Trial of Cases under the Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribes Prevention of Atrocities Act 1989 in Thoothukudi District. I convey my best wishes to the judicial officers and the legal practitioners of the Bar of Thoothukudi. We are now inaugurating the Special Court exclusively for trying the offences against the downtrodden, oppressed and marginalized sections of society. The success in establishing this Special Court truly lies only if its functioning results in drastically bringing down the occurrence of such offences, if not prevent the same. The focus would have to be on the deterrent effect, balancing the expeditious disposal of cases with qualitative decision making. I hope the judicial officers who preside over the Special Court and the legal practitioners in that jurisdiction would bear in mind these salutary objectives and discharge their responsibilities. This is the first occasion my Lord the Chief Justice is participating in the Thoothukudi District, and I thank your Lordship for this participation. And on this occasion I must also thank Justice Bharatidasan for the guidance as the senior portfolio judge in guiding the district for the past 2 years, and we have been periodically getting good inputs and suggestions from Brother Judges Sundar and Jagadish Chandra, who have also given this best advices for the management and administration of the judicial administration in the district. I thank them for the same. I convey my best wishes to one and all. Thank you.
All the more cheered and privileged to request our son of soil, His Lordship, Honorable Justice Thiru A.D. Jagadish Chandra, Judge, High Court of Madras, to deliver the special address.
My Lord, Honorable Chief Justice A.P. Sahi, Chief Justice High Court of Madras, brothers Justice V. Bharatidasan, Justice S.S. Sundar, Justice Abdul Quddus, Justice G.R. Swaminathan, Justice P.D. Adikesavu, Honorable Mr. Kadambur C. Raju, Minister for Information and Publicity, Mr. N. Logeshwaran, Principal District and Session Judge, Thuthukudi District, Tirumati N. Mariswari, Chief Judicial Magistrate, Thuthukudi District, Thiru Sandeep Nanduri, District Collector, Thiru S. Jayakumar, Superintendent of Police, Thiru A.W.D. Tilak, Chairman, and other members of the ad hoc committee, judicial officers of the District Judiciary, elected representatives, members of the bar, and friends, ladies and gentlemen. I deem it an honor to be present at the occasion of the inauguration of the Special Court for Trial of Cases under the Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribes Prevention of Atrocities Act. First and foremost, I would like to thank the Honorable Chief Justice and the portfolio judges for taking sincere efforts to inaugurate the Special Court despite the pandemic. Thank you, portfolio judges. Thank you for Mr. Bharatidasan and Justice Adi Kesulu. They have always been caring for this district, and whenever we make any request to them, they see to that immediately the request of the bar and the judiciary is taken care of as far as our district is concerned. As a son of the soil of this district, I am very proud to say that Thoothukudi district has a long history and heritage for having offered great men who have selflessly and tirelessly worked for the freedom of the country and the upliftment of the underprivileged. This part of the state, though far away from the state capital, can boast of having a considerable population having migrated to various parts of the state and to the capital city and have tirelessly worked for the development and upliftment of the state. Men from different communities from this district have achieved greater heights both in arts and literature. Though I am happy on this occasion of opening the Special Court as a person from this district, I will be more delighted and happy to see that there is no atrocity in this district and that this district becomes a district without any atrocity. I thank you one and all, and I wish the district judge and the members of the judiciary that the inauguration of this court will go a long way in helping the poor and the downtrodden. Thank you one and all.
Thank you, Lordship. I am excited and even more cheered up to request our son of soil, His Lordship, Honorable Justice Thiru S.S. Sundar, Judge, High Court of Madras, to deliver the special address.
Honorable the Chief Justice Amareshwar Pratap Shahi, Chief Justice of High Court of Madras, my dear friend and brother, Honorable Mr. Justice V. Bharatidasan, the portfolio judge for Thoothukudi District, and again Mr. P.D. Adikesavu, the second portfolio judge for Thoothukudi District, my dear brother A.D. Jagadish Chandra, Judge High Court of Madras, and Mr. J.R. Swaminathan. Though your name does not find, I am surprised to see. Normally you don't, you are not expected. And now because of Chief Justice, probably Justice J.R. Swaminathan and Justice Quddus are with my Lord and to grace the occasion. We really proud, and then I really thank you personally for your presence in this occasion. And Honorable Minister for Information and Publicity, Mr. Kadambur C. Raju, Mr. Logeshwaran, Principal District Judge, and Chief Judicial Magistrate, Tirumati M. Mariswari, Mr. Sandeep Nanduri, the District Collector, Thoothukudi District, Mr. S. Jayakumar, Superintendent of Police, Thoothukudi District, and Mr. A.W.D. Tilak, Chairman Ad hoc Committee, and other members of the Ad hoc Committee, and the members and office bearers of the Bar Association of Thoothukudi, and other advocates who are present in this occasion. I welcome every one of you to this great occasion. I'm really proud to be here to inaugurate the Special Court for Trial of Cases under Scheduled Castes and Scheduled Tribes Prevention of Atrocities Act 1989. The job does not end with the constitution of a special court for this purpose. The object of constitution of special court is to get speedy justice. Of course, that will be achieved only if the cases are tried and குற்றங்கள் குறைவது எப்போது என்றால் தண்டனை நிச்சயம் கிடைக்கும் என்ற எண்ணம் மனதில் இருக்கும்போது தான். எனவே இங்கே இந்த நீதிமன்றங்கள் இயங்கி நீதி கிடைக்கும் போது தான் இந்த ஸ்பெஷல் கோர்ட்டை நாம் உருவாக்குவதில் அல்லது ஆரம்பிப்பதில் உண்மையான அர்த்தம் மக்களுக்கு போய் சேரும் நன்மையினால் மட்டுமே கிடைக்கும். I convey my best wishes to all the advocates and litigant public for getting the special court, and I really thank everyone, especially the portfolio judges, for making it possible for the special court to come to Thoothukudi district. And I once again thank you everyone for giving this wonderful opportunity to be here on this great occasion. Thank you.
Thank you, Lordship. I feel proud and humble to request our portfolio judge, His Lordship, Honorable Justice Thiru V. Bharathidasan, Judge, High Court of Madras, to deliver the special address.
My Lord, the Honorable Chief Justice, my esteemed brother judges, Justice S.S. Sundar, Justice Sagajit Chandra, the proud sons of Thoothukudi district, my esteemed brother from Madurai, Justice G.R. Swaminathan and Justice Atul Kutus, I welcome you, brothers, and Thoothukudi Portfolio District, Portfolio Judge, Brother Adigasolu, Mr. Kadambur Raju, the Honorable Minister for Publicity, Information and Publicity, the Principal District Judge Thoothukudi, Mr. Logeshwaran, Mr. Sandeep Nanduri, the District Collector Thoothukudi District, and Mr. Jayakumar, District Superintendent of Police, Mr. Tilak, the Executive Chairman of the Ad hoc Committee, Thoothukudi Bar Association, members of the Legislative Assembly from Thoothukudi District, members of the Bar, Registrar General Mr. Kumarapan and other registrars, ladies and gentlemen, a warm good evening to every one of you. At the outset, I would like to thank my Lord the Honorable Chief Justice for inaugurating, now coming at Madurai, inaugurating this special court for scheduled caste and scheduled tribe cases. The Thoothukudi Judicial District was formed in the year 1992, bifurcated from the erstwhile Tirunelveli district, and now functioning with 29 courts, out of which 6 courts of district and additional districts judges, 3 sub-judges, sub-courts, 6 district municipal courts, 12 magistrate courts, 1 CJM and 1 district municipal cum judicial magistrate court. With the inauguration of this special court, the number goes to 30, and now we are having a sanctioned staff strength of 634 members. Earlier, under Section 14 of the Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribes Prevention of Atrocities Act 1989, only the existing Sessions Court has been notified as a special court for that SC/ST Act cases. Now, after amendment to the section there 1996, 2016, now the exclusive court, a special court for SC/ST Acts, are being constituted. So far as Tamil Nadu is concerned, as per the directions of this court, the government sanctioned as many as 16 special courts in 16 districts. This Thoothukudi District Court is the 11th court being inaugurated. 5 more courts yet to be constituted and inaugurated. Till then, now all the cases arising under the SC/ST Act being only the Tirunelveli Special Court as a jurisdiction. Now it are roughly estimated 140 cases are pending trial from the Thoothukudi district, and another around 50 cases are pending the investigation. These special courts has been constituted for speedy trial and disposal of cases effectively and deliver justice immediately. The recent data given by the National Crime Record Bureau shows there is a steady increase in the atrocities against scheduled castes and scheduled tribe people. There is also a general complaint that the conviction rates in the offences against SC/ST people is very low. The reason for that, in my opinion, is that there is a delay in disposing case 1, and there is no effective investigation and also effective prosecution before the special courts. Even though Section 15 of the SC/ST Act provides for appointment of a special public prosecutor, but most of the cases only the existing special public prosecutor has been notified as a public prosecutors to conduct trial. He may not find time, the public prosecutor who is conducting trials in other sessions courts may not find time to conduct cases in the special court. So, a special public prosecutors should be appointed for conducting the trials in the under the special act. That apart, Rule 7 of the Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribes Prevention of Atrocity Rules mandates that the investigation should be conducted only by an officer at the rank of a senior and experienced officer in the rank of Deputy Superintendent of Police. But our experience shows, dealing with the cases under SC/ST Act, that the investigation should be, that all is not done effectively in most of the cases. Even though the rule mandates that the final reports should be filed within a period of 2 months, our experience shows no, in none of the cases the final report has been filed in time. That apart, number of cases that warrants or non-bailable warrants are pending. Even the police are not taken any effective steps to execute the warrant and put the accused stand for trial. So unless we rectify all those defects, we have to rectify all those defects. I request the Superintendent of Police that to monitor all the cases arising of SC/ST Act, even though rules empowers that the District Superintendent of Police should monitor all the cases and see that the trials are being effectively conducted. With this word, I thank you one and all. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Lordship. Now I feel extremely proud, humble, and privileged to invite the man of conscience, simplicity, humane, yet the robust personality, my Lord, Honorable Chief Justice, High Court of Madras, to deliver the presidential address.
My esteemed colleagues, Brother Bharti Dasan, Brother Sundar, Brother Jagdish Chandra, Brother Adikeshulu, Brother Kuddus, and my dear friend, Brother G.R.S. Swaminathan, with whom I have given a maiden appearance today on the stage. I am really thankful to all of you, the Honorable Minister, Information and Broadcasting, Mr. Raju, the District Administration, the Principal District Judge, Thuthukudi, President of the Bar Association, members of the Bar Registry, and all officials. We have marched ahead, and this is yet another milestone in the achievement, not in the real sense, which is yet to be fulfilled by the utilization of the court that we are inaugurating today. But I must tell you, these are expectations, not only under the Constitution, but these are expectations of the common man who dreams of justice. When one dreams like Martin Luther King or Mahatma Gandhi with compassion. One works with determination and grit, and one tries to achieve such dreams with which we fulfill that object which the father of the nation described as wiping off the tears of the man standing last in the line. The inauguration of this court, I hope, will achieve this. There is a difference between an expectation and living up to an expectation. The expectation that we had and the dreams that we had are being gradually fulfilled by our efforts under the Constitution with the active support of all the three pillars of governance. The expectations are to stabilize society, to spread peace and tranquility, and to bring satisfaction to those who feel aggrieved. But living up to an expectation is, firstly, you have to live and then to expect. The court that we are inauguration today is an embodiment of that living expectation. And who are to execute these expectations? The shoulder of every judicial officer is burdened with cases. The worries of the masses are being championed by lawyers. But we have also to keep in mind what is the outcome of this burden that we are shouldering and the cause which we are championing. Are we giving the expected results? And this is why I say expectation is something else from living up to the expectations. It is your output, and it is your desire to serve the downtrodden section of the society that will help in living up to these expectations. We all know courts are not mere buildings of mortar and cement. They are foundations of faith, where a litigant comes with the utmost wish of getting something which is supreme in the mind of every one of us, and that is justice. Not mere paper justice, but justice that may be not divine, at least human to an extent that is acceptable to society. It is here that the cooperation of the administration is most required. Thuthukudi, unfortunately, in the recent past, has been witnessing some fire and some storm. But fortunately, with the prompt and timely action of the Madurai bench of the High Court and of the administration as well as the judicial administration, has helped us in achieving some milestones that has further added to the faith in the system. I hope the inauguration of this court will further foster this faith and make the foundations more surer than ever, and we will all then be proud enough to say that we are living up to our expectations. I congratulate every one of you and the team effort which has been made for inaugurating this special court today. I appeal to the members of the bar to extend their fullest cooperation with the members of the judiciary who may be able to perform only with their cooperation and not otherwise. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Lordship. With this valuable presidential address, now we have come to the verge of concluding the program. At this juncture, I would like to reinstate on behalf of the entire judicial community of Thoothukudi district that with all your valuable inputs and reverberating advices and guidance implanted today in our heart and soul, we would strive hard to meet all your expectations in delivering justice to the common man. Thank you, Lordships, for all your gracious presence.
Now, I would like to invite our Honorable Chief Judicial Magistrate to deliver vote of thanks.
Good evening to one and all gathered here. On this wonderful evening, I would like to present the vote of thanks. I humbly take this golden opportunity to thank our respected Chief Guest, Honorable Chief Justice, High Court of Madras, for inaugurating this function. Besides Lord's schedule, we will cultivate the advices given by Honorable Lordships in real life. Thank you, my Lord. I further extend my humble gratitude to respected Honorable Justice Thiru B. Bharatidasan, Portfolio Judge, Thoothukudi District, and the Sons of Soils, Honorable Justice Thiru S. Sundar, Judge, High Court of Madras, and Honorable Justice Thiru A.D. Jagadish Chandra, Judge, High Court of Madras, Honorable Justice Thiru P.D. Adikesabalu, Portfolio Judge, Thoothukudi District, for Lordships guiding and inspiring speech and valuable guidance given to us today. Thank you, Lordship. I further extended my humble gratitude to respected Honorable Justice Thiru G.R. Swaminathan, Judge, High Court of Madras, and Honorable Justice Thiru Abdul Qudus, Judge, High Court of Madras, for participating and supporting this function. Thank you, Lordship. Next, I thank our Honorable Principal District Judge Thiru N. Logeshwaran for organizing this function in a grand manner. Thank you, Your Honor. I would like to express my sincere thanks to Honorable Minister Thiru Kadambur Raju, Minister for Information and Publicity, Government of Tamil Nadu, for participating and supporting this function. Thank you, sir. I would like to express my sincere thanks to the District Collector Thiru Sandeep Nanduri and the Superintendent of Police Thiru Jayakumar for participating in this function and for providing all necessary support for the conducting this function. Thank you, sir. My sincere thanks to all the brothers and sister judges for Thoothukudi District for all their extent cooperation. Thank you, judges. I thank Advocate Thiru AWT Tilak, Chairman Adha Committee, and members of the Bar Association Thoothukudi for participating in this function. Thank you, sir. It's my pleasure to thank all the staff members in both civil and criminal units, police officers, BWT officials, municipal corporations, press and media peoples for their grateful help in making this function grand success. Thank you, everyone. Once again, I thank one and all wholeheartedly. Thank you, and thank you, Lordship.
Thank you, Madam. Now this is the time to tribute our nation. National Anthem.
Shubha
Thank you all.